So this is what it looks like after you wipe it down with wax and grease remover, and it's still wet yet. I have to say, after all my years of doing this part of the process just never gets old. You can check to see where your flaws are, if you have any waves or ripples. So it's going to get dull a little bit, so you just go back over it, and you can shine it back up. You can see how nice the transition came out. Wipe this down again. So this is what you're going to be looking at after it's painted. So now's your chance to make sure it's right.